Today, I'll show you how to log out of Google Drive from all other devices. This is really useful if you've signed in on a shared computer, lost a device, or just want to make sure your account is secure. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go in your Google account to see all the devices that are signed in and how to sign out of any of them remotely. First, open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. In the address bar, go to your Google account page. The easiest way is to search for Google Account, then click the official Google account link. Make sure you're signed in to the Google account you want to manage. If you have multiple Google accounts, double check the profile picture or email in the top corner to confirm you're in the right one. Once you're on your main Google account page, look for the menu or tabs across the top or along the left side. Click on the option labeled Security. This is where Google groups all of your sign-in and protection settings, including passwords, two-step verification, and the devices that are currently using your account. On the security page, scroll down until you find the section called Your Devices. This section shows a summary of the phones, tablets, computers, and sometimes smart home devices that are currently signed in with your Google account. It's a good habit to review this list from time to time so you can quickly spot anything that looks unfamiliar. Under the Your Devices section, click on the button or link that says Manage Devices. This will expand the list and give you a more detailed view. Now you'll see every device that has recently accessed your account, along with some basic information like the device type, model, and approximate location. Don't worry if some locations look a little off. They're often based on your internet connection rather than your exact address. Next, choose a device that you want to log out from. Look through the list and identify any device you don't recognize, no longer use, or simply don't want to stay signed in on. For example, this might be an old phone, a work computer, or a shared laptop you used while traveling. When you click on a specific device, Google will show more details to help you confirm that it's the one you think it is. On that device's details page, look for the option that says Sign Out. Click Sign Out to remove your Google account access from that device. When you do this, the account on that device will be logged out from Google services, including Google Drive, Gmail, and other apps tied to that account. In some cases, you may see a confirmation message explaining that the device will no longer have access. Go ahead and confirm if prompted. If you have multiple devices you want to remove, simply go back to the list of devices and repeat the same process for each one. Select the device, review the details, and click Sign Out. Take your time to go through the list carefully, especially if you've used your account on public or shared computers. Once you're done, your Google Drive and other Google services will be signed out from those devices, helping keep your files and personal information safer.